haven't figured out how to get there yet. I'm not going to waste my time on...
Morning.
Neil.
You could take a few days off, you know. I know. I'm just getting up to speed on the new Delta wing in the UK. Pickle canceled the trip. He wants you focused on writing up the pilot report from your last flight. Am I grounded, Joe?
Write up the report on the bounce, okay?
Civilian? Yeah, me too. Elliot. Neil.
Tough morning, huh? Barely lasted 2 minutes in that ice bath. Of course, I suppose NASA's more interested in the psychological reaction.
Well, I think I made it pretty clear that I thought it was cold.
Armstrong.
Good luck.
To you, too.
Another egghead.
Neil, we've been chatting with candidates about the program. As you know, our decision to forego direct descent in favor of a lunar orbit rendezvous approach to the eventual moon mission has had a major impact in Gemini.
Do you have any thoughts on that decision?
Well, even considering von Braun's initial criticism, it seems that the payload saved by parking the primary vehicle in orbit and sending a smaller ship down to the lunar surface is well worth the resulting challenges.
What do you see as the challenges?
Cislunar navigation, for one, and rendezvous and docking.
Why do you think space flight's important?
I had a few opportunities in the X-15 to observe the atmosphere. It was so thin, such a small part of the Earth. You could barely see it at all. And when you're down here in the crowd and you look up, it looks pretty big and you don't think about it too much. But when you get a different vantage point, it changes your perspective. I don't know what space exploration will uncover, but I don't think it'll be exploration just for the sake of exploration. I think it'll be more the fact that it allows us to see things that maybe we should have seen a long time ago, but just haven't been able to until now.
Does anyone have anything else?
Yeah. Neil, I was sorry to hear about your daughter.
I'm sorry, is there a question?
What I mean is, do you think it will have an effect?
I think it would be unreasonable to assume that it wouldn't have some effect.
All right, Neil. Thank you, that's fine.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.